In the last lesson, we have added a product detail page in which we are displaying a product gallery along with the product title, description, price, and the seller information. Now here, after this price section, we will add a form which will let the user choose the quantity of the product they want to purchase, and after that we will add a button called Add to Cart that will let the user add that specific item to their cart. Now let's get back to our editor and start coding. So let's start with URL declaration. Here we need to register a new path to handle adding products to the cart. So whenever someone visits the path cart/add, then in that case the method add_cart_item will trigger. Now let's save this and go to the show.html template file, which is inside the product directory, and here after this price we will add a new form here. Here we have added the method post, and inside the form we will have few things: a CSRF token and an input field which will be hidden, and that we will pass the product ID, and a select field so that the user can select the quantity of product they want to order, and finally a submit button. So here we have added the necessary elements inside the form. Now let's save this and go to our views.py file, and here at the bottom we will define our new method. This method will handle two types of requests: post and get. So let's start with the post request. Inside the post method handling, the first thing we will do is fetch the product by using the product ID supplied in the form. Once we get the product, after that we will fetch the quantity. After that, inside the try block, we are trying to fetch the cart associated with the currently logged in user. Inside the try block, at the first line, we are fetching the cart associated with currently logged in user. Inside a cart, we are having a field called total, which maintains the total balance of cart. So basically, what we need to do here is we need to add the currently selected product price into quantity and add that to existing cart value. And after that, we are executing the save method to save the total value into the database. However, if the cart does not exist, that means we have not created a cart for the currently logged in user. Then in that case, we are creating a new cart by assigning the total value to be product price into quantity. As the cart is just being created, so there should be no previous value in total. So we are just assigning the current values. Then after that, we are calling the save method to save that data into the database. And now finally after this, we are going to add cart items. We are using the cart item model and executing the create method by passing the cart, product, and quantity to store the currently selected product along with the quantity and cart information into the cart item model. And after that, we are creating a flash message by saying that product added to cart. And finally, we will redirect the user to the cart, for which we have not created the path yet. So let it be. Now we need to import few things like the cart model, cart item model. Now save this, and in the next lesson, we will add a new path to handle displaying the cart. We could display the cart by handling the get method for our newly created method add cart item. However, let's leave this and we will create another method to handle the cart page.